flip this over. I'm having to do this in 3 parts because for some reason my phone wouldn't record the entire first side. So this is part 2 video, but it's still side 1. So here comes part of side 2. We'll see.
Look like this, look like that, but the way I feel, I guess you
I'm going to pause it there because I'm probably at the limit of what I can record on this part. So be sure and look for part 3 of the Sunday morning album. Maybe I'll try to put some links in here or something. See how that goes for me.